Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel, and I got a great new tool for you today. This is the M18 Milwaukee Whole Hog. It came out with a brand new one, and this one has been redesigned from the ground up. It's got a brand new power state motor. It's got an upgraded RedLink Plus electronic system, and it's got the high output battery. So that's what you get when you get all that together. You get a really nice whole hog. This is a right angle drill, and let me show you my history with whole hogs. Okay, I got this one about 30 years ago, and it still works. That's a whole hog right there, right angle Milwaukee whole hog. And about 6 years ago, I got this one. That's the Milwaukee whole hog from a little while ago. Okay. So let me just show you here. You can hear the difference, I bet. Okay, the older one does 0 to 1200 RPM. This one does 0 to 1500 RPM. And it's rated to drill 2 9/16 inch self-feed holes, whereas the older one was rated to drill 2-inch self-feed holes. Okay, both of them are rated for 1 1/4 inch auger bits. The new one is 7.5 pounds without a battery. The old one was 6.8 pounds without a battery. And this one's about a 1/2 inch longer than this one. So there are some changes. Like I say, it's been completely redesigned. Got a lot more torque, a lot more power. So with this high output battery and the new drill, you can drill 220 7/8 inch holes with one charge. The new whole hog comes either with a all metal 1/2 inch Jacobs chuck or with the QUIK-LOK chuck. I can show you the QUIK-LOK chuck on the older model because that's what I have on it. You just take your 7/16 inch shank shaped like this and you push it in, and that's all there is to it. Then to get it off, you take it off like that. So just change them out like that. It's very fast. So that's the advantage to having the QUIK-LOK chuck. Now the advantage to having the Jacobs 1/2 inch chuck is that you can put any size bit in there. For instance, this is 1/2 inch. Just put it right in there, tighten it up with the key. You have your choice. You can buy either with the QUIK-LOK or with the 1/2 inch all metal Jacobs chuck. The new whole hog is 15 1/4 inches long with no battery, while the old one is 14 3/4 inches with no battery. And this one's 7.5 pounds, that's a new one. And this one's 6.8 pounds, that's with no battery. Both drills have a nice LED light. The new one comes with a nice spot for your chuck key. I've put a 2 9/16 inch self-feed bit on the drill, and that is what this drill is rated for. So what you need to do is you need to brace a drill against counterclockwise motion. So if there's a stud or a wall or something you can brace it against, you should. If not, just brace it against your body like that so it's braced. And so now we're just going to go ahead and make the hole. Whew! Man, this thing really has a lot of power. I think it could do a lot bigger holes than that, but that is what it's rated for. So that's 2 9/16 inches. This is a Milwaukee big hog bit, and this drill is rated for up to 4 inches for hole saws. So this is also 2 9/16 inch. It'll give a little cleaner cut than the self-feed bit. So here we go. And I have a nice set of 6-inch auger bits here. I'll take the 7/8 right here. Okay, it's a 6-inch, 7/8 inch bit. Put that in there. Tighten down the chuck, and you should always tighten down all 3 holes, believe it or not. And this is really good for running electrical cable. So here we go. put a link in my video description for this Milwaukee M18 whole hog. It's going to come with 2 of the XC 6.0 batteries, and it comes with a fast charger, and it comes with a really nice contractor bag. So it's running about $579 right now, and it's the same price with what I've seen with the all metal Jacobs chuck or the QUIK-LOK. They're both $579 as a kit. And I'll put a link for a kit of the older version of the whole hog that I showed in the video. It's a similar kit but with smaller batteries, and it's $457 for the kit. So I'll put a link for both of these kits. I'll also put links for the Milwaukee 6-piece Speed Feed 6.5-inch auger bit set, the Milwaukee Big Hog 10-piece hole saw kit, the Milwaukee 8-piece self-feed bit set, which goes from 1 inch to 2 9/16 inches, and I'll put a link for the Milwaukee 28-piece hole saw kit. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.